Hello, I'm Ramteja and I'm here today to express my views on a case study where an Indian coffee chain, Malgudi Coffee Day, is acquired by a new company, and this new management wants to close certain non-performing stores and they want to set up 15 new stores. So with this strategy, how can we maximize the profit is the case study, and we'll break this into three parts. The first part is the questions which we come across while thinking about maximizing the profit, and the second one is what solutions can we find out for these questions, and third one is what conclusions can be drawn from these solutions. So coming at thinking about questions, the first question that comes to my mind is why these some stores are not performing so well. What reasons contributed for this loss? And second one is, will there be an immediate impact on revenue on closing the stores and setting up new ones? Third one is, what implementations can be done on this new stores? And fourth one is, can we use technology in any sort to increase the business of these stores? Coming to the first question, why are these stores not performing so well? There could be many factors contributing for this. One could be the location. Yes, location plays a major role in determining the sales of any product. The place where it is located, whether it is located in densely populated area or mildly populated, and whether it is nearby to offices or MNCs as such. Next factor could be poor customer service. Now, poor customer service could also comes under uh, the poor training of the staff and the staff how they behave with the customers as well. And the next factor could be the pricing. Yes, pricing also plays a major role. Pricing of the product and also pricing of the competitors in that area. How are our prices with the competitor prices in that area? Next, was it due to poor ambience also? It could be due to poor ambience also. So, considering these factors, we should make in mind that this should not be repeated while setting up the new stores. And coming to the second question, will there be an immediate impact on revenue while closing and setting up new stores? Well, it could be yes, because a company could already have invested some amount in acquiring Malgudi Coffee Day, and some now closing some stores and opening 50 new ones at once could have definitely impacted revenue immediately. To reduce this, what we can do is instead of opening 50 stores at once, we can open 10 at once and apply some changes. What we learned from why some stores are not performing well, we can apply some changes and see how these stores are functioning well. How these stores are functioning. Now, when the stores are functioning, we can take feedback from customers, like how we can improvise things, and we can make note of this and we can implement this in next set of 10 stores. So this process repeats until quality is getting improved. And next thing is what implementations can be done on setting up new stores. First thing, we already talked about this, like location is very important in setting up a new store. So we can use technology to potentially select a new location. We'll talk about it in the technology part. So location is important, whether it is located nearby to any densely populated areas and IT areas as such. And maintaining good ambience is the important thing in setting up any store. When coming to a coffee store, while people come to store, people see the first impression is like ambience, how the ambience is like, how hygiene is like. So this is an important factor while setting up a new store. Also, we can try with a variety of products if not they're available in previous stores. This could also lead to us to increase in sales. Also, trying out some new offers on products also attracts some new customers. And coming to, can technology play a role in increasing the sales? Well, my answer is quite yes. We talked about like we can use technology in selecting the location. So how? We can use data analytics and data visualization in potentially selecting the location. The data we would require is population in that area and spending patterns of people in that area and number of coffee shops available in that area and tropical conditions in that area. Also, we can use technology to introduce an application where people can deliver products from coffee shop to their home, so that we can cover this percent of people who don't want to come out and they want to taste products at their home itself. Also, we can publish our offers through our application as well. Also, we can introduce like you can book the table in advance from application. This could also increase lead to increase in sales. Now, drawing the conclusion from this, what we can say is first reason, know why certain stores are not performing well. Know the reasons, list out them, and try not to repeat them in setting up the new stores. Second one is Instead of setting up at all 50 stores at once, we'll try to implement 10 stores and we'll try to implement the stores in phases so that immediate impact on business will be less. And third, also remembering that feedback at every stage is important. Third one is that implementations can be done at stores, like maintaining good ambience, trying variety of products, and make sure your staff are well trained in customer service, and trying offers as well. And using technology through data analytics, we can apply that in selecting the location and also an application for home delivery and reservation of tables as well. That's all from my side. Thank you and have a good day.